بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
के लिए दावा दूंगा नूर आलम।
أما بعد فأعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم. The Excellencies, Principal Sir, the respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Nur Alam. I study in class 8. I would like to speak today on the topic important of education. Respected audience, when we study first divine revelation, Allah is forcing on importance of education. Allah say in Quran, Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq. Read in the name of Allah who has created you. This is education through which Allah allows human high rank in Jannah. Allah say in Quran, يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات. The one who knows and who do not know are not equal. Educated person are respected in community. Allah say in Quran, قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. All the treasures of what can be thugged, but knowledge is the treasures of what that cannot be thugged. According to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, saying the best honorable respected person on earth are those who read and make others to read. In the end, I conclude my speech with the prayer that Allah increases our knowledge education. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.